Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have a list of top 10 anime where overpowered main character can destroy anyone with godlike powers. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you are new, please subscribe to our channel. So without any further delay, let's begin. Number 10. Luck and Logic. The story takes place in the year LC 922, where the whole of mankind is facing an unprecedented crisis. Following the end of a 100-year war on the mythical world of Tetraheaven, the Margins who lost the war sought a safe haven and invaded the human world. The government was forced to fight by dispatching logicalists who are part of the ALCA, a special police force dedicated to protecting the streets from the foreigners of another world. These logicalists are given a special power that will allow them to enter a trance with the goddesses from the another world. When the Golden Race invited other races to join them in the stars, three sentient races answered their call. The Goldens called them the Bronze, Silver, and Heroic tribes. Just before the Gold tribe left to travel to another universe, a fourth race appeared, traveling to the stars on their own accomplishments. The Golds named them the Human Race, the Iron Tribe. During the passing of them, humanity suffers at the hands of the more dominant races and is now facing extinction. Following a prophecy left by the Gold Tribe's Princess Daenerys sets out to search for the powerful being who might be able to save humankind. She meets a wild-haired boy on an abandoned planet. A fateful encounter that will not only change the fortunes of humanity, but also the fate of the universe. Number 8. Hamatora. Minimum, otherwise known as a small miracles, is a special power that only manifests within a few select humans. Those who possess this ability are called minimum holders. 2014 Yokohama. The detective duo of Nice and Murasaki, otherwise known as Hamatora, wait again today for work with their friends at a table at Cafe Nowhere that they use as their agency. Suddenly, a job they receive seems to have a weird connection with the serial killer that their police friend Art is searching for. Number 7. The Silver Guardian. The protagonist, Suigen, is a pro-level gamer. The heroine, Rei, knows of this and is the most beautiful girl in school and also loves video games. Suigen receives a device to play a net game called Gravebuster from Rei, but Rei is suddenly kidnapped. When Rei puts his hand on the device, he's sucked into the world of the game, and in that world, a battle between the Tomb Raiders and Tomb Protectors from the tomb of the Mother Goddess, Bango's tomb, has been going on for 1,000 years. Number 6. Charlotte. While on the surface, Yu Otsusaga appears to be just another charming and intelligent teenager, he has a secret. He has the ability to slip into people's mind and fully control their body for 5 seconds at a time. When the enigmatic Nao catches Yu using his power, she coerces him and his sister Ayumi to transferring to Hoshinomi Academy, a school for students with supernatural abilities. The student council of the school, led by Nao, is tasked with secret tracking down adolescents who abuse their powers. Yu is forced to join the student council, and together they face formidable challenges that bring him closer to the shocking truth that his own seemingly incomplete ability might be more powerful than he could ever have imagined. Number 5. The Disastrous Life of Saiki K. Saiki Kuso is a typical 16-year-old high school student, except he has psychic powers. He can use them to get whatever he wants, but he also knows everything that people are thinking. Everything, no surprises, no secrets, no normal human experiences. He's kept his powers in check since childhood. But with the temptation of high school now on his mind, he's bending the rules and spoons. Number 4. Aesthetica of Rogue Hero. The story follows a world where several young men and women regularly find themselves spirited away to a world of sword and magic. Those who survive and return are typically gifted with magical abilities. An international training organization protects these young returnees and trains them in the use of their power. A wayward hero named Akatsuki has come back to this world along with a beautiful girl called Miu, who is the daughter of the last Dark Lord whom he defeated in battle. Number 3. Hellsing Ultimate. There exist creatures of darkness and evil that plague the night, devouring any human unfortunate enough to be caught in their grasp. On the other side is Hellsing, an organization dedicated to destroying these supernatural forces that threaten the very existence of humanity. At its head is Integra Fairbrook Vengates Hellsing, who commands a powerful military and spends her life fighting the undead. Integra's vast army, however, pales in comparison with her ultimate weapon, the vampire Alucard, who works against his own kind as an exterminator for Hellsing. With his new vampire servant Ceres Victoria at his side, Alucard must battle not only monsters but all those who stand to oppose Hellsing, be they in the guise of good or evil. Number 2. One Punch Man. One Punch Man is the story of Saitama, a hero that does it just for fun and can defeat his enemies with a single punch. Number 1. Overlord. The story revolves around a young man who is trapped within a video game as a warrior king and sets out to make this new world his own empire. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe the channel. If you are new, remember to hit the notification button for any more upcoming videos.